Hello, in this video we're going to be showing you in close-up detail how a lip blush treatment goes down at Unicorn Pro. First we spend some time drawing on the shape and mapping, and then we take photos and work on them together, making sure we're in agreement with the shape. We then prepare the tattoo machine with pigment. The pigment colour is decided in the consultation, where you can try on all of the different colours that we have. To answer all of your FAQs, check out our lip blush consultation video where we go into detail everything to do with pre-treatment, aftercare and everything you could ever want to know in between. We then prepare the tattoo machine with pigment and work on the outline. So the outline is done without a numbing agent, as we want to achieve the most perfect line that we can. Numbing agent is then applied and we go to work, filling in the top and bottom lip. In between passes, an ice ball is applied to the lips to help reduce swelling, but swelling is usual for the first 24 hours after the treatment. We go over the top and bottom lips a total of 3 times.
So excited for me now. Looks so good.
Have you picked your colour?
I have. I'm going to go for the red, but I see what you've got there and that looks so beautiful.
The top lip's gorgeous, isn't it? It is quite
It is like
top,
stunning. You look great.
And the results speak for themselves. They are amazing. If you'd like to know more about lip blush, feel free to contact us via email, which is hello@unicornpro.co.uk, or you can book in a consultation with us. Our website is www.unicornpro.co.uk. We can't wait to meet you.
So in terms of aftercare and healing, the main thing to let, and we've spoken about it a bit before, but the main thing to let you know is your lips are going to swell.
Okay.
It's completely normal and it will go down within 24 hours. I'd say that it takes 4 to 5 days to heal completely after the treatment. And the lips will look darker in like straight after the appointment. Then they'll go even darker when you go home, and then they'll lighten up as you get some flaking on the lips.
Okay.
So it is completely normal. The lips are going to go a bit flaky. It's not scabbing, but it is a light sort of like you're gonna essentially like shed the first layer of your lip.
Yeah.
So it's really important that you follow the aftercare in the first like 4 to 5 days, because this is like the key point for like how well
it's gonna last.
Exactly. So on the first day you need to wash your lips every sort of hour to 2 hours. So you need to give them a good stretch and you need to like wipe them and then pat them dry. And then you just need to leave them so hourly. Anytime after food you need to give them a good wash. And then you need to avoid any hot drinks, any spicy food, anything that's going to make you be licking your lips essentially. Once you've passed the first day, I'm going to give you some ointment that you can apply, and you can apply that 2 to 3 times a day tops. So you don't want you overdoing it. Now what that's going to encourage is your lips to start shedding that first layer of skin. And you'll normally find that they start peeling at first in the very corner of the lips. Now the temptation is going to be there to pick them and help it along. Just don't do that. And I will know if you've done that. So just make sure that you don't, because all that happens is you pull it, your lips will probably bleed.
Pull the pigment out.
Yeah, and you're going to pull the pigment out, exactly. And then really similar to microblading and other treatments like that, we just don't want you to soak them. So you can like wash your face, all of that sort of normal stuff, but we just say avoid like hardcore exercise, avoid like long, if you're wearing masks, avoid like a long time of wearing a mask, just because you don't want them to get like super sweaty or anything like that, and you just need them to kind of heal essentially. So yeah, they are going to feel a bit tight and crusty. And that's just normal.
Straight up.
Yeah, so they don't look very glamorous in the first couple of days, but that's completely normal.
And thank God we're wearing masks now.
Yeah,
Now's
exactly.
the perfect time to get it done.
Yeah, definitely. So but like I say, by day 4 to 5 it should have completely flaked off. Now they do look lighter. So really similar again to microblading, they look a lot lighter, and you won't see the true colour normally until about 4 weeks. And then you come at 6 weeks for a top up. And then we finish we finalise the look essentially. It is definitely a 2-part treatment. Because you know you don't know how the lips are going to swell, you don't know how they're going to take the pigment, so they may or may not be a little bit patchy to start with, but it's really subtle anyway, so and any imperfections we can just top up at the next appointment. But yeah, I always just say make that really clear with people. It is absolutely a two-part process.
It's good to set expectations so everyone knows what the deal is.
Yeah, definitely. After 6 weeks, you can book in and complete the treatment, and then you're good to go. A similar thing, like we'll have to go through the same process again, but then after that, you'll have like really nice lips. And the best thing about it is you literally just need to put a bit of lip balm on or lip gloss, and you are like good to go.
Can't wait.